Right guys, a very quick one today. It's a beef marinade for Thai cooking. Now a good marinade should actually cling to the meat so the meat could take the marinade on. And the secret to our marinade here is coriander seed. Now take some coriander seed, put it in a pan and dry roast it. And then we want to grind it to a coarse paste. We do not want coriander powder. We want a bit of powder and a bit of paste so it actually sticks to the surface of the meat. So just give it a little bit of a grinding, but don't take it down too much, you know. Here we go. You can see we've got a bit of powder in there and we've got the coarse bits. That will stick nicely to our meat. Okay, for the rest of the marinade then, very simple. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of seasoning soy sauce or just soy sauce. 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. That's going to give us our nice umami flavour in there. It won't taste the fish. And a tablespoon of veg oil or palm oil. Now this is where our half tablespoon of coriander seed comes in, half a teaspoon of white pepper powder and a tablespoon of sugar. Now you can use any sugar, white sugar, palm sugar, brown sugar, it doesn't matter. And then we give it a good mix in and that's our marinade done. All we have to do now is apply it to our beef. So just put it all over the surface of the meat and then we'll give it a gentle rub in, a bit of a massage. Now you can put your meat to marinade in a bag, a Ziploc bag, a tray, whatever, up to you. But basically we try and get all the marinade on the beef. Now if you're doing it in a tray like I am, after we've turned it over a couple of times to coat all the beef, tuck it all underneath, tuck all the remaining marinade underneath the beef so the beef sits on the marinade. That way the beef's going to marinate all over. Leave to marinate for about 4 hours or overnight. Now guys, if you like what we're doing, don't forget, like and subscribe so you don't miss anything. And we'll see you next time.